Hello, everyone. Do you know your alphabet? It starts with A. A is for aeroplane, high up in the sky. B. B is for bus. Brum, brum, brum. C. C is for combine harvester, chomping up the crop. D. D is for digger, playing in the dirt. E. E is for engine, like a steam engine. Toot toot. F. F is for fjord ferry. What a lovely day. G. G is for garbage truck, gobbling up the trash. H. H is for hot air balloon. Shh, shh. I. I is for ice skating, or even ice racing. J. J is for jet ski, skimming along. K. K is for kite surfing. Whee! L. L is for lawnmower, chop, chop, chop. M. M is for motorbike. Good day, Mick. N. N is for naval vessel. O. O is for oil tanker. Gee, that's big. P. P is for police car. Nino, 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 Nino. Q. Q is for quad bike. That looks fun. R. R is for rocket, heading to the moon. S. S is for seaplane, landing on water. T. T is for tram. It goes on a track. U. U is for underground train. Watch out below. V. V is for van, driving through the snow. W. W is for wagon, being pulled by a horse. X. X can be found at the railway crossing. Look for the train. Y. Y is for yacht, sailing on the sea. And Z. Z is for a zigzagging skier. Hooroo! G'day, boys and girls. It's Reggie Roo here. How do workmen fix things that are really high up? Well, they could use a telescopic boom. Here is a red telescopic boom. Can you see the worker on the platform? He's using the controls to move the boom up and to the side and up again. Look how big it is. The boom is as tall as the building. Would you like to be up high on a telescopic boom? Or would you be too scared? The boom has a very long extendable arm and a base with wheels. The worker now moves the boom across so he can work on a different part of the building. He is very careful. Look at him now. Do you think he could get that high without a boom? No. The big red boom swings to the left, and the arm lowers down. The boom is very big. It almost takes up the whole street. Down goes the man. He's finished his work. With the help of his telescopic boom, of course. Hooroo! Good day, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. Today, we're going to a farm. Have you been to a farm before? Here's a farm with a large field of maize. It's ready to harvest. The farmer uses a big yellow combine harvester to collect the rows of maize. Can you see the silver pointy section at the front? That's the header. Through the field, the combine harvester travels, chomping up the maize as it goes. Maize is like corn. They use it to feed cows. High up in the cabin, you can see the silver and yellow header as it sucks up the grain. Carefully, the driver steers the combine harvester along the straight rows of maize. Behind him, the grain tank begins to fill up. And out the back, a cloud of waste spreads out as the combine drives away. This is good for the soil. Then, out swings the auger, like an elephant trunk. And here comes a tractor and trailer to take the maize away. The maize pours out of the auger and into the trailer. That's a lot of maize. Once the trailer is full, the tractor can continue on its way. Thanks, combine harvester, for collecting all the grain, it says. Through the field drives the tractor. Using a forklift with a telescopic arm and shovel, they load all the maize into a semi-trailer. Wow, look at the roof close on the top of the truck. And away the truck goes, off to feed some hungry cows. Hooroo,